What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Doge Cuisine. So the new Disney Plus series, Falcon and the Winter Soldier, will be premiering soon. This series will focus on the two trying to carry on the legacy of Captain America, and to celebrate, I'm going to show you how to make a Captain America Beef Terrine. This recipe is based on the recipe in the Marvel Eat the Universe cookbook, but we'll be making it vegan. And for this recipe, you will need about 3 pounds of plant-based meat. So I have some Beyond sausages here. 2 tablespoons of parsley flakes. The zest of 1 lemon. 3/4 ounces of agar-agar powder. You also need some mustard, as well as some salt and some water. All right, without any more delay, let's get cooking.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, a life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero? It's the first time of today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero.
It was a little hard to get it out of the can, so that required a little trial and error, so that's why you didn't see that. But here we have our final product. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.